It's 2025, and artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming the backbone of our everyday devices. While many people associate AI with robots or smart speakers, its most transformative impact may actually be inside your pocket. Yes, I'm talking about your smartphone. Smartphones have come a long way from being just calling devices to becoming full-fledged digital companions. But the next frontier is here, and it's all about intelligent personalization, predictive features, and smarter interactions, powered by artificial intelligence. If you've ever wished your phone just knew what you wanted, you're about to get your wish. Let's take a journey into the near future and explore the groundbreaking AI innovations that are transforming our smartphones into smarter, more intuitive machines. The limitations of today's smartphones. Before we jump into what's next, let's be honest about what today's smartphones still struggle with. Yes, they're powerful. Yes, they have incredible cameras. But when it comes to actual intelligence, they still leave much to be desired. Take voice assistants, for example. We've had them for over a decade now, yet many users still find them clunky or unhelpful. Why? Because they require exact phrasing, can't always understand context, and often fail to deliver nuanced results. This lack of true intelligence is where AI steps in to fill the gap. Smartphones also aren't great at being proactive. They wait for you to tell them what to do. Whether it's setting up meetings, navigating traffic, or managing your apps, the process is still mostly manual. What we need are devices that think ahead, like a personal assistant who knows what you want before you ask. In 2025, a new era of intelligence. As we step into 2025, AI is making smartphones smarter, faster, and more useful in every way possible. Here's how. 1. Hyper-personalization. Through machine learning, AI is turning smartphones into personalized hubs that adapt to individual users. Your device will no longer just run apps. It will curate your entire experience. Based on your usage patterns, habits, and even mood, AI can rearrange your home screen based on time of day. Suggest apps you're likely to use before you even unlock your phone. Manage your notifications so only the most relevant alerts come through. Auto-adjust settings like brightness, volume, and battery usage depending on context. With continual machine learning, your smartphone evolves with you. The more you use it, the smarter and more customized it becomes. 2. Seamless natural language understanding. Voice interactions are about to get a major upgrade. Thanks to breakthroughs in natural language processing, NLP, your smartphone will understand conversational speech. No more robotic phrases required. You'll be able to say, "Hey, remind me to call Alex after my next meeting," and your phone will understand that it needs to check your calendar and set a smart reminder. AI will also allow phones to understand emotions through vocal tone, facial expressions, and even typing style. Feeling stressed? Your phone might dim the lights, play relaxing music, or silence notifications. 3. Predictive maintenance and self-healing phones. What if your phone could fix itself before you even knew something was wrong? By 2025, AI will enable predictive maintenance on a whole new level. Your device will clean up unused files and optimize memory usage automatically. Alert you about potential issues before they cause crashes or slowdowns. Auto-update software and apps at the ideal time, without interrupting your workflow. Monitor hardware health, like battery cycles and screen integrity, to suggest timely upgrades or repairs. This isn't just convenience, it's longevity. Smartphones will last longer and perform better, saving users time and money. 4. AI-powered cameras. Professional photography in your pocket. One of the biggest revolutions will happen in smartphone photography. Cameras powered by AI will recognize scenes, lighting, and subjects instantly to adjust settings in real time. Automatically remove unwanted objects or photobombers. Capture ultra-high-res photos even in low light, using advanced image stacking. Create professional-looking video edits, complete with transitions and soundtracks, with just one tap. For content creators, influencers, and everyday users alike, this means studio quality results with zero editing skills required. 5. Smarter multitasking and app management. Smartphones in 2025 will understand not just what you're doing, but what you're trying to do. Let's say you're planning a trip. Instead of switching between maps, emails, and weather apps, your phone will detect your intent, planning travel. Pull up relevant data, flight status, hotel check-in, weather forecast, and consolidate it into one dynamic interface. Thanks to AI, multitasking won't just be about split screens anymore. It will be intelligent app orchestration, your phone doing the thinking for you. 6. Augmented reality gets a brain. Augmented reality, AR, has been around, but AI is about to make it truly useful. In 2025, AR apps will recognize objects in your environment and overlay helpful information in real time. Help you navigate physical spaces more intuitively, like showing arrows on your screen guiding you through a crowded airport. Enable immersive shopping experiences by projecting products into your living space in realistic 3D. This fusion of AI and AR means your phone becomes a real-time assistant for both the digital and physical worlds. 7. Enhanced security and biometric intelligence. Passwords? Forget them. AI in 2025 is taking smartphone security to the next level. Advanced facial recognition that works in all lighting conditions and with accessories like glasses or masks. Behavior-based authentication, which learns your typing speed, hand gestures, and even how you hold your phone to verify your identity. AI-powered fraud detection that catches suspicious activity before it becomes a threat. Your smartphone becomes your most secure and personalized device, always adapting to keep your data safe. 8. Health monitoring that saves lives. With AI-driven sensors, smartphones will evolve into health monitoring tools. Detect heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even stress levels using built-in sensors and AI analysis. Alert you to potential health issues, like irregular heartbeat or dehydration, before symptoms even appear. Integrate with smart wearables and medical databases to offer personalized health advice in real time. This isn't just wellness, it's preventive healthcare, right in your pocket. 9. Eco-conscious AI. Smarter energy management. AI isn't just making smartphones smarter, it's making them greener. In 2025, expect AI to dynamically adjust battery usage based on your habits to maximize longevity. Suggest energy-saving tips or enable eco modes that reduce power consumption. Optimize charging patterns to prevent battery degradation and reduce waste. With sustainability in mind, AI will ensure our tech habits don't come at the cost of the environment. 10. The AI-powered smartphone of the future. An example. Let's wrap all these ideas into a single device, the fictional Neuro X1. Imagine unlocking the Neuro X1 with a glance, its AI instantly sensing you're heading into a work meeting. It silences personal notifications, opens your Notes app, and adjusts your screen brightness to fit the room. You ask, "Can you summarize my emails from the morning?" And in seconds, it provides a concise briefing. Later, while taking a walk, the phone detects elevated stress levels through your voice and gait. It activates calming music, adjusts your step tracking goals, and recommends a 5-minute breathing exercise. At night, it notices your routine has changed, suggesting a sleep tracking schedule and optimizing notification delivery for better rest. That's not science fiction, that's AI, and it's closer than you think. Conclusion. The AI revolution is just beginning. As we move into 2025, one thing is clear. AI will not just make smartphones better, it will make them smarter, more human, and more essential than ever before. From predictive maintenance to hyper-personalized apps, intelligent photography, health monitoring, and AR-enhanced reality, AI is unlocking capabilities we only dreamed of a few years ago. Our smartphones are evolving from tools into companions, devices that learn, adapt, and evolve with us. So, what AI-powered smartphone feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on where AI is headed and how you see it shaping your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your opinions in the comments below. And hit the bell so you never miss a story about the future of technology.